हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। ज्ञान ट्रैक चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम इस वीडियो में इंग्लिश थॉट पढ़ेंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और पास वाले बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास पहुंच जाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लर्निंग इज नॉट अटेन्ड बाय चांस, इट मस्ट बी साउट फॉर विद ऑर्डर एंड डिलिजेंस। Education is simply the soul of a society as it passes from one generation to another. Change is the end result of all true learning. The foundation of every state is the education of its youth. A library is the delivery room for the birth of ideas, a place where history comes to life. Education is learning what you didn't even know you didn't know. You are always a student, never a master. You have to keep moving forward. The goal of education is the advancement of knowledge and the dissemination of truth. Education is the movement from darkness to light. Education is one thing no one take away from you. The only person who is educated is the one who has learned how to learn and change. The purpose of education is to replace empty mind with an open one. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. An investment is knowledge pays the best interest. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. In the new economy, information, education and motivation are everything. Thank you for watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय।